So today I'll be giving you a behind the scenes look as part of a new mini-series. I'm Jordan from Indoor Outdoor and this is Meet the Team.
At Indoor Outdoors, we've got it all. From the office to the factory, big and small. We bring the indoors, we bring the sun, whether you're working or having fun. Oh, we're your one-stop shop, no need to roam. Making your office feel like home with a garden view and a cozy chair. Indoor Outdoors, we're always there.
So this is Hamish.
Hi, I'm Hamish. I'm the welder here. I do robotic welding side as well as the manual welding side. I've got MIG and TIG welding here. Then I've got all my equipment up on that wall there. And then I also do, at the moment, the rolling, which is at the back here. So here's the rolling machine, and then we've got the rolling machine over there with a robotic welder for welding the Ringolas over here. And yeah, that's what I do.
Sort of how does it all like work, if that makes sense?
How does it all work? So the robotic welder, you input exactly what job you want it to do here. This one's quite simple. There's different length Ringolas. So down here we have the buttons for 200mm length, 300, 400, 600 and 800. You just press the button and it will, in a straight line, weld. And this machine here is just a big roller, really. The robot at the back changes the die on the roller. So you can select whether you want a 400mm diameter, 600mm diameter Ringola, and then it will change the die according to what you set. And then you just click start and it goes in.
So what would you say the most important part of your job is?
I think the most important part of my job is making sure that everything is as easy as possible for myself. Definitely increases my efficiency. So I like to make sure I'm making improvements daily. I've got a wall over there so I can have the rolling Kanbans delivered straight to me, so I don't have to walk over here and get them. And that makes my life a lot easier. It means I don't have to keep coming over here and checking to see whether there's Ringolas that need doing, especially over here. I've recently marked on the side here the different lengths, so I don't need to measure them when I put them in. I can just put them in, and according to whatever the mark is on the side there, press the button, and that makes everything easier.
Do you do much collaboration with other departments?
Yeah, I sort of often go and help out. If I haven't got anything to do, I often go and help out at press break or just do some cleaning in general. Everyone's always coming over and asking questions, and you feel completely comfortable going over to other people and asking them questions about products and different things and defects.
And then on top of that, like sort of how much problem solving do you end up doing every day? Like much or not much?
Sometimes quite a bit, especially when it's a new product I haven't seen before. I often sort of have to think about where to put the welds and what would be the best place to put them in order to not be able to see them very well. Yeah, I do quite a bit in terms of trying to improve the process so that it's a shorter time to weld, tack time.
What's one thing you think people would like to know about what you do here, like work-wise?
I think a lot of people would be really interested in the robots because it is really interesting. The programming and stuff like that is really interesting to me especially, and I think other people would really find it interesting as well.
Cool. Right, I'll leave you to it then. I'll let you get back to work.
Okay, see ya.
Well, that was just a peek at what our top tier welder Hamish does. We'll be uploading more of these alongside a lot of new great content, so keep them peeled. Also, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell button if you enjoyed this, as it really does help a lot. And remember, we've probably got what you need and a lot more, so head over to indooroutdoor.co.uk and take a gander. Thanks for watching.